From examination perspective, it is important to learn how do we convert coordinate from polar form to rectangular form and rectangular to polar. I'm going to explain this today using 991ES plus second edition Casio scientific calculator. We have two ways to solve it, and let me show you the first way first. So we are going to do this in our first mode only, composite mode. You can see polar and rectangular, these are two secondary functions for plus and minus. So we quickly press shift and plus to get polar. Here we'll give one rectangular coordinate, so let's say 2, 3, and we would like to convert this into polar coordinates. So hit equals to, there you go. So the answer is r as 3.60 and theta is, the angle is 56 degree. Similarly, if you would like to convert from polar to rectangular, you can give in your polar coordinate here. So let's say 5 comma angle is 60 degree, just for instance. It equals to, and it gives you the rectangular coordinate for you as x equals to 2.5 and y equals to 4.33. So this is first way, very quick way to solve it. Second way to do this is to change mode to go into complex, and then there you can do the necessary settings. So you can say like 2 plus 3i, right? And now you would like to change this. You can push shift and 2 to go into complex mode, and you can see these options there. So you can convert input into polar form or rectangular form. We have put in rectangular and we would like to convert this into rectangular, polar. So I'll say 3, it equals to, and you see you get the answer root 13 and 56 degree. Similarly, if you would like to do it like 3 along with 3 and 50 degree for example, and you would like to convert this into rectangular form, you hit shift and complex and then select 4, it equals to, and it quickly converts into rectangular form, that is 1.928 and 2.29. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.